Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a text box in Draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to the top left and click on this icon to view all the different options we have. So here just select shapes and we can see all of these different layers we can bring in. Okay, so under miscellaneous, you'll actually see the different text options. So we have lists and we have titles as well. So what I want you to do is just bring in your normal text box. I'll just do variable text right here. So you bring in this anywhere you want. You can easily go ahead and resize this and even change the font size as well, as you can see. And then I want you to just edit the text. So let's say right here, I'll say answer ASAP. There we go. And that is how you can go ahead and add a text box in Draw.io.